Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to be cleaning the rust stains on the paint. So first thing you're going to do is just wash the car as you would normally, and then allow it to dry. Obviously that was pretty easy in this case. Then you're going to grab some of this stuff. This is called Auto Glim Magma, and just give it a light spray like that. Give it anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes to set in, and you'll know it's started to work because it'll start to go purple. Wheels like mine, then you can also use that on the little rust patches. Also, there's some rust patches on this chrome, so yeah, you can use it on that as well. And there's some rust on there. So there we go. Sometimes it takes 2 layers, and then all you can do is get a damp cloth, ever so damp cloth, and just wipe it down. Like I said, sometimes this takes 2 or 3 times to go over that. Then what I tend to do is shampoo the car all over again, and then you can go into polishing it up. Thanks very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe. And if there's any questions, please put them in the comment section and I will get back to you.